AI can protect workers in many ways. In this demo video, we spotlight 3 real-world scenarios to show exactly how the system works. Loose clothes detection. Loose clothing can be dangerous around machines. This AI tech monitoring system watches in real time and alerts supervisors immediately to prevent accidents. Sleep detection. Long shifts can wear anyone down. If a worker begins to get sleepy or lose attention, this AI-powered system immediately detects the signs and sends an alert, giving teams time to respond and keep everyone safe. Half sleeves detection. Sometimes it's the small details that matter. The camera-based AI system checks sleeve length and flagging half sleeves in restricted areas so every worker stays fully protected. This project is just one example of how OneKode turns safety challenges into AI solutions. Imagine what's possible for your workplace.